Authentic Brands is plotting to step in yet again to acquire a failing fashion retailer as the group sets its sights on UK strugglers Debenhams and Arcadia. If it is successful, Authentic Brands Group (ABG) will add the defunct department store chain and flatlining fashion empire to a list of DOA retailers that it has snapped up in a little over a year, including Barneys New York, Forever 21, and Brooks Brothers. ABG, backed by BlackRock BLK, General Atlantic, Leonard Green Partners, and Lion Capital, held talks with administrators for both retailers over the weekend and is eyeing a deal to take over the troubled retail groups, with Debenhams currently in administration. However, UK billionaire Mike Ashley's Frasers Group said on Monday that it was in negotiations to buy Debenhams from administrators in a rescue deal. It is also interested in participating in the sale of Philip Green's collapsed fashion chain Arcadia Group. Frasers, formerly Sports Direct, hopes a deal can be agreed and jobs at Debenhams saved after the COVID-19 pandemic sunk its troubled business, but cautioned that the transaction was complicated and talks needed to take place quickly. Administrators for Debenhams said earlier in December it would be wound down, shuttering all its shops after 242 years in business and putting 12,000 jobs at risk. Green's Arcadia Fashion Group collapsed into administration late in November, putting another 13,000 jobs at risk. Ashley is understood to be chasing to complete the deal to buy Debenhams to help him crack the high-end cosmetics market. Last week he flew by helicopter to examine the Debenhams warehouse in Peterborough after reportedly eulogizing about the online cosmetics market at a secret meeting in the City of London. He is believed to have told analysts he wants to emulate online cosmetics star The Hut Group, and Debenhams has more than 1 million Beauty Club loyalty members. Meanwhile, fashion conglomerate Arcadia continues to trade while potential suitors are sought for some or all of its brands. It comes as documents seen by the Telegraph showed that administrator Deloitte is running an auction of the various pieces of Sir Philip Green's Arcadia empire, aiming to raise $247 million. The process, known as Project Kane, is shrouded in secrecy, with first-round bids for assets expected by Friday. 3 of the 8 brands, Evans, Miss Selfridge, and Outfit, made sales losses last year, the documents revealed. Boohoo is seen as another potential buyer, as are Next, Marks & Spencer, private equity houses, and even supermarket retailer Tesco, which house 30 Dorothy Perkins stores. For its part, earlier this month Authentic Brands Group CEO Jamie Salter confirmed that the company will reopen iconic department store Barneys in the first quarter of 2021 as 2 boutiques, one inside Saks Fifth Avenue's Manhattan flagship and one in Greenwich, Court. Barneys 2.